Welcome to MathAlley, home of math learning. Today I am going to show you how to find a midpoint of a line segment. So let's say we have point x and y in a coordinate plane. And the coordinate for x is -1, 2, and y is 3, -6. So just to see where my points lie, I'm going to draw it on the plane. So here it is. Now my x is -1, 2, which is -1, 2 somewhere here. And 3 -6 is 0, 1, 2, 3, -6 somewhere here. All right, so this is my point y, and this is my point x, and this is my line segment joining these two. Now, what I want to do is I want to find a midpoint of this line segment. All right, the midpoint formula is given as midpoint equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That's the sum of the coordinate plane and sum of the x coordinate, and you divide it by 2, and take the sum of the y coordinate and then you divided that by 2. So let's say our x is -1, 2 and y is 3, -6. So let's try to find a midpoint for this line segment. So this equals to x1 is -1 and x2 is 3. My y1 is 2 and y2 is -6. That's, I'm going to write plus -6. That equals to 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 2. 2 minus 6 is -4 divided by 2, and this gives me 1 and -2. So somewhere here 1 and -2. This is my midpoint of this line segment. Let's try one more example. I have point P, let's say 2, 3, and Q -4 and 9. All right, my formula is midpoint equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. All right, my x1 is 2 and x2 is -4, so 2 plus -4. y1 is 3 and y2 is 9. Simplify this, you get 2 minus 4 is -2 divided by 2. 9 plus 3, 12 divided by 2, 6, which is -1 and 6. So midpoint for this points P and Q is going to be -1 and 6. Sometimes sometimes you might come across a question like you are given the midpoint, but they might ask you to find one of the coordinate. So let's see this. Find the value of P so that -2 and 4 is the midpoint of the point X, P2, and Y -1, 6. All right, so this is my midpoint and I have to find the value of P. I'm going to again write my formula. M equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So my M is -2, 4 equals to my x1 is P, x2 is -1. So P plus -1 divided by 2. X2 is 2 and, sorry, y2 is 2 and y1 is 6. So 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Simplify this, you get -2, 4 equals to P -1 divided by 2. 6 plus 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So now you compare 4, y coordinate equals to y coordinate and x coordinate equals to x coordinate. That means you can write -2 equals to P -1 by 2. Multiply both the side by 2 and you get -4 equals to P -1. And you add 1 on both the side, which should give you -3 equals to P. So for the midpoint -2 and 4, and you have coordinate x and y, the value for P should be -3. Thank you. See you in the next video.